Hi everyone, meteorologist Joe Chaffee, SNS Storm Chasers, meteorologist joechaffee.com, weatherlongisland.com. As we take a look tonight, I'm going to look at the HRRR model, which I'm going to tell you has been not very good through all of this. But being that we're dealing with this Hermine, who has taken us on such an adventure from a forecast standpoint, we just keep going through these model run cycles that just even at this point, continue to evolve and change. Now, I just want to show you, this is the simulated radar for the HRRR model overnight, which doesn't show very much in terms of rain, but then it does for some reason, and I'm not sure why, other than the fact that it brings the surface low west, further west, as it slowly begins to weaken. So it throws back some rain, a pretty good band of rain across Long Island tomorrow afternoon, and actually has rain back to New York City, eastern New Jersey, coastal New Jersey, and into also parts of the Hudson Valley, and you have an arm of rain that goes into Connecticut. I'm just going to tell you right off the bat that this model, for whatever reason, is more volatile in its very shortest range than some of these longer range models that we look at. Now, I want to show you the wind because I'm out here. And you know, we're every bit of 15 to 25 right now with some gusts into the 30s. And when we look at the winds, this line here marks the back edge of gale force gusts, and this is the 50-mile-an-hour gusts, which are going to gradually disappear. But during the day tomorrow, the line for gale force gusts actually goes back pretty far to the west across Long Island. And they've also been getting some pretty strong winds tonight, tropical storm force gusts certainly across eastern Long Island and southeastern Connecticut. And it actually, through the day tomorrow, does continue some of those gusts all along and just offshore Long Island. You can see them there, particularly over eastern Long Island. The increase in gusts here would be reflective of that arm of rain that it shows. Now, the NAM model tonight, let me just back this up a little bit. This is right now. It pretty much takes this low straight to the west and gradually weakens it during tomorrow afternoon. But it's still a presence there off the New Jersey coast, south of Long Island, and it just meanders until finally it disappears and goes away, which is really what I wanted to do. I want to look at the NAM precip, which I'm going to look at with you for the first time because I wanted to get this video on, and at least we're into Thursday here, so let's back it up a little bit. So you can see the spiraling bands of this as it just meanders to the west and brings some rain into the coastal areas during the day tomorrow and backs the rain into almost a western New Jersey, if you want to believe it. I really am suspect of this to some degree. The track is interesting. It's certainly within the realm of possibility, and then you see it opens up and disappears. We should have enough of the GFS now at this point to take a look at what that global model does. And let me just back it up. Same idea. It just kind of takes it straight west and then drops it a little south. It just loops it around, gradually opens it up, and then it's gone. It'll be gone. We're into Thursday morning now. So it looks like this thing is going to be sitting around to the south of Long Island and eastern New Jersey for the next couple of days. Might as well take a look at it, the wind profile of the GFS as well. And the blue, the dark blue, these are sustained winds. So the darker blues would be sustained winds of 25 miles or higher. The green would be sustained of gales. The gales touch eastern Long Island, stay primarily offshore, but at least for a little while into Tuesday, you do have sustained winds running in the 20 to 30 mile an hour range. So that would probably mean gusts that would be a little bit higher than that. So, and you can see that it opens it up, and then it's finally gone by Thursday. And beyond that, you know, once that happens, all this very warm air that's back through here is going to get in here for Thursday. I'll just put the 2-meter temperatures on here and see how much of it we have. And I'm sorry, this is the temperatures above normal. Let me just go to the actual 2-meter temperatures, and you can see them here. Why do I keep going to the anomaly? Long day, folks. It's been a very long week. This takes us into Thursday morning. It's as far as I have so far. Let me just back it up for you. in areas that get sun tomorrow, we're probably going to see temperatures into the 80s, but everybody else will stay in the 70s. And, we'll probably have the NAM out far enough so I can take a look at that for the temperatures. It's going to get very summery around here for the end of the week for sure. So now we're into Thursday, and you can see it's got temperatures into the 90s Thursday afternoon over a large area from New Jersey down through south and south central Pennsylvania into Virginia, and then we go into Friday morning, which is the furthest it goes, and temperatures Friday morning are the mid to upper 70s, so probably setting up for another warm day on Friday. So we'll watch how this plays. Tropical storm conditions continue over eastern Long Island and southeastern Connecticut with some gusty winds to 40 miles an hour or more. That's going to continue for much of the night and into at least the first part of Tuesday morning. Don't forget weatherlongisland.com for Long Island specific weather, meteorologistjoechaffee.com for general weather predictions for this area here. And of course you have S&S Storm Chasers, ssstormchasers.com, all your storm chasing needs. Where there are storms are S&S Storm Chasers, they're there.